So I asked my wife if she wanted me to take her to get her nails done for Mother's Day. Little spa day, pamper, take her to the salon, make a thing of it. But she said no, she didn't want to go. She said that it was too much money and that she'll just do it herself. So, of course, whatever she wants. So I saw her working on her nails for a couple hours at the table, and you have to check this out. Let me see your nails, babe. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's actually amazing. And the matching toes. It looks amazing. I was actually, she's always done her nails, but this is amazing. This looks so, I cannot believe that. So, yeah. I honestly think it's better than anything you could have gotten if we went to the nail salon. I think you deserve whatever we're gonna spend at the nail salon. Diba? Dapat lang.
Yes, sa akin yung bayad ng magkano to? Like,
I don't know, that's gotta, 300.
oh, it's a pwede, money. 300, cha-ching!
All right, what do you think? What do you think this deserves?